In this video, we will show you how to use the cordless pruning shears from the Einhell professional line. First, remove the blade guard. Now, let's insert the battery and ensure to listen for the click sound. Next, we will press the on-off switch. Hold the button down longer and the orange LED indicator will light up, indicating that we are in standby mode. To switch from standby to working mode, we simply need to press twice. Press twice. We are in active mode, which is indicated by a green LED. Above, we see that 28 mm is the opening width for our cut. If we want to switch to 14 mm, press the on-off button again. Now we are at 14 mm. Let's have a look. 14. 28. This is simply because some branches are thicker, so we need a larger opening width. To cut, it's important to keep your finger on the trigger. This will ensure the blade closes completely. After work is done, finger here, slider. Remove the battery. That's it. In another video, we will show you what you should consider when maintaining and cleaning the cordless pruning shears.